I'm Valentine.
I'm Zefanya Alderia, and now we're going to explain you about RIG CROSSCOMM and online cleaning service. Nowadays, everything is easy to do. Anything that we want can be done in a flash. But this instant doesn't make us choose carelessly. We certainly want the best service for what we want to do, but sometimes we don't know what background and quality of service we will choose.
So we're here to introduce you about research interest group cross-cultural communication, or can be called as RIG CROSSCOMM. RIG CROSSCOMM is a research group formed by Binus University in the field of cross-cultural communication.
Prominent research methods by this group are through experimentation and observation of participation in the field of digital media, social, IT, and culture.
One of the advantages of RIG Binus is that it is in Bina Nusantara University, with more than 30,000 students, alumni spread across various industries and overseas, as well as 135 overseas campus partners.
RIG CROSSCOMM research is carried out very quickly and accurately, which can help companies or organizations immediately find problems and solutions in a short time.
RIG CROSSCOMM has three services, that is Service Excellence Survey, Branding and Communication Assessment, and Review.
Now we will continue to the topic of the discussion. Not all home has maid. That makes you have to clean up your own home. But what if you're busy and don't have time to do all the work? An online cleaning service can help you with that.
Ordering an online cleaning service is quite easy. You can just download the app and fill details like data and the customer address, service time, what kind of room and how many rooms that you need to be cleaned, and how much cleaner will you need, also the gender of the cleaners you prefer.
Apart from cleaning your rooms and bathroom, we can also use this online cleaning service to iron our clothes, wash the dishes, clean the closet, fridge, stove, and etc. For now, this online cleaning service can only be ordered at the same day that you need them to clean your home.
You can order the service start from 12 a.m. till 10 p.m. and the cleaner's time start from 2 a.m. till 12 a.m. So you can order the service one day in advance. Now, the online cleaning service is available in Jabodetabek, Bandung, Bali, Surabaya, Medan, and Semarang, and has 1,300 cleaners.
The advantages of online cleaning service are: first, easy. As I told you before, the order process is easy. You can just using your phone and order the cleaners in the app. Second, secure. The cleaning service company provides insurance for the lost items, so you don't have to be worried. Third, professional. The workers are trained and guaranteed.
In case you're wondering, the steps to be workers in online cleaning service are quite hard, such as background checking, competence tests, and hard and soft skills training. They also conduct training to ensure workers' services.
And the last is complete equipment. As I told you before, they can help you to clean everything in your house because their equipment are complete. So that's our explanation about RIG CROSSCOMM and online cleaning service. We hope this will be helpful. Bye!